Hi everyone! Welcome to the sixth and final video of the Blockchain Basics batch, which is a part of OWS Education created by OWS team. In this video, we will look into ownership and provenance in blockchains. Let's get started. Essentially, ownership and provenance refer to the ability of a user to prove ownership and have access to transparent provenance of that ownership in a decentralized manner. As discussed in the very first video from this batch, Web 1 was about just consuming, Web 2 allows user to consume and co-create, and Web 3 adds the third component to the equation, ownership. Because we have already talked about how users can manage fungible tokens, for example cryptocurrencies, using their wallet identity, what we would like to talk about here is the ownership of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. What are NFTs? NFTs refer to digital items that are recognizable individually due to their unique identification codes and metadata that is stored on a blockchain and are not exchangeable in a like for like manner by other items of the same group, like cryptocurrencies. NFT technology first became available in 2014, however, the trend has really exploded among the broader audience in 2021. How can you create an NFT? Nowadays, anyone is able to tokenize any digital asset and turn it into an NFT in just several mouse clicks by connecting their wallet to the preferred NFT marketplace and paying a certain service fee. The process itself is called minting. Behind the scenes, at the moment of creation of an NFT, unique identification code and metadata of the digital asset gets saved in the blockchain ledger forever, and it's impossible to edit or delete it. Most well-known NFT marketplaces are based on Ethereum blockchain and charge rather high service fees. Examples of such marketplaces are Rarible, OpenSea, or Nifty Gateway. There are also cheaper places to mint your NFTs, like for example Minbase based on Near Protocol or Solana based SolSea. What are NFTs used for? In theory, anything that is unique and needs provable ownership can be turned into an NFT. However, some real-world applications might better explain what this means. Firstly, this technology democratizes the art industry by allowing artists and creators to have full control and ownership of their creations that can be always traced back to them. This means that they can trade their work themselves and receive a fair payment for it, omitting the intermediaries. There is also an option to claim royalties from any resales of their art pieces in the future. Besides, NFTs oftentimes represent real world physical assets like real estate or art pieces and are backed by insurances, warranties, and legal obligations. In cases like that, tokenization allows to trace ownership easily, which reduces the probability of fraud and therefore makes selling, buying, or trading these assets more efficient. Finally, NFTs have a good potential to assist in personal identity management, seeing as they contain codes with a unique piece of information that cannot be forged. Any personal document like passports, driver's license, or even a university degree could be turned into an NFT that will help to prove the authenticity of the digital item. In this video, we discussed ownership and provenance on blockchain and looked into this subject through the NFT lens. This is the final video of the Blockchain Basics release made by the Open Web Sandbox team. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss future releases, and see you soon. Goodbye.